Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Dr. Nurul Izwa. My name is Muhammad Nurafi Sikram bin Saiful and I'm from 3BTMI, Section 1. We will present about the appropriate AI development for Malaysia agriculture sector. Firstly, let me introduce my team members. The first is Afiq Shahmi, which is our team leader. The second one is Wong Wei Chen, then Nurhanis Shahira, and the last one is Nur Shafiqah Najwa. Next, I'm going to present about the introduction for this topic. Agriculture is defined as an activity involving livestock, farming, fisheries, and forestry. It is an activity carried out to produce energy resources such as industry raw materials and food resources. There are many types of agriculture that have been designed for different purposes. However, in Malaysia, there are three main types of agriculture activity. The first one is shifting agriculture. Shifting cultivation is a simple traditional farming system with the concept of shifting site. The scale of operation only involved in a small area, which is between 0.5 to 1 hectares only. And usually the output is for personal use and for family members only. Secondly is intensive subsistence farming. The operation use traditional and modern method such as the use of machinery and chemical fertilizer. The operational scale is between 1 to 1.5 hectares and usually the output is for family needs and will be sold if there are more. The last one is commercial plantation. The operational uses labor and modern technology in all levels to increase production and strengthen management. The scale of operation is more than 40 hectares and the output is for sales and prioritize profit and the returns on investment. Next, I will pass to the next presenter to continue for the next part.
Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Nuani Syaira binti Japri and for today I would like to present my part which is agriculture in Malaysia. So, agriculture sector is actually act as a savior towards the Malaysian economy because of the contribution of the GDP increases. So, there are two types of agriculture sector or industry in Malaysia. Okay, so first is agriculture and agro-based industry, which are crop, livestock, and fisheries. Okay, so for the agriculture and the agro-based industry, it is actually the process from the input to the output that can be useful for the human and the animals. So, second is industry and commodities, which are palm oil, rubber, and cocoa. Okay, so for the industry and the commodities, it is actually we need the huge amount of the money to turn the raw material into the finishing good. Okay, I think that's all for my part and I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Wong Wei Chen and my part of this assignment is implementation of AI practice in Malaysia's agriculture sector. So as we know, agriculture automation is a major source of concern and a hot topic throughout the world. So why not Malaysia also have implementation of AI practice in the agriculture service? So yeah, automation in agriculture, including farming or plantation system using smart technology, IoT and AI system, are very not quite common yet in Malaysia, but we're still improving, and you can see such a few example of it that Malaysia are starting to use AI practice, which is smart farming with IoT and cloud in Malaysia that underpins most of the modern farming today, which is called smart tanis. It is spelled SMART-TANI, smart tani, the IoT and cloud solution. So, what is all about the smart tani things? Yeah, smart tani things. The smart tani smart farming. It is the IoT and cloud solution are here to assist local farmers to increase the efficiency and yield. And this technology have made farming more simple for many farmers by using blockchain to track the food supply chain, to putting IoT sensor in the ground to monitor soil and all kind of stuff. So the smart tani have assured farmers to have access to real-time pH and weather monitoring, pest control, crop monitoring, and more by employing Sigfox Zero-G network, which is provided by Malaysia's first licensed IoT provider, the Plantopedia IoT, as well as other IoT connection options. Yeah, of course. So, nonetheless, the most recently study indicates that Smart Tani now has 10 farms registered throughout 5 Malaysian states, which is Johor, Kelantan, Selangor, Kedah, and Negeri Sembilan. So yeah, to help the local Malaysian agriculture sector, they feature broiler farm monitoring, greenhouse monitoring, and virtual marketplace in the future. So that is my slide for today. Thank you. We move on to my next teammates.
Next, AI can use to solve the problems in the agriculture industry to minimizing and managing the risk. So the benefit of AI in agriculture is firstly, automatic automatic weeding. AI products such as robots have been created that are capable of killing 100,000 weeds per hour using lasers. Furthermore, a smartphone can be used to control this process. Secondly, automatic harvesting. Farmers now have an autonomous harvesting system. It is a robot that has a camera with an AI software to recognize the plant and work independently. Thirdly, plant disease detection by drone. It uses AI algorithm to detect health issue in locating and treating crops that have been damaged by viruses. With this, farmer will be able to detect disease of their crops more quickly and be able to take a proper preventive measure. Fourth, can improve the soil health monitoring. Soil analysis with AI begins with soil samples to detect all bacteria and present contents. This agriculture AI advance will provide more accurate soil biological and chemical examination to farmers. Fifth, efficiency irrigation of farmlands. A drone will fly over the field with camera on board to take photo of the field. Then AI software will highlight the irrigation system issue as well as areas that may need additional water or fertilizer. Six, reduce the use of pesticides and herbicides. With this, the autonomous drones it can spray this pesticide and herbicides in certain farm area only to maintain soil fertility. As a result, it can reduce human labor while increasing crop yields. That's all for me. Moving on to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hafiz Syami Aziz. Okay, for my part, I will present about the new AI technologies or AI or IoT technologies in Malaysia. So we more focus about the farm management. So from that focus, we get the idea to create the application. What we call it the Plantopedia. So that Plantopedia can give the benefits to the farmer, can also can help the farmer to manage their farms. Okay, for the Plantopedia itself, the application can control our what we call it, the equipment in our farm, and also can give the information about plant, like example disease or vitamin the plants needs. Okay, for example, when we want to give the plants water, so we must know the level of the vitamin or nutrient the plants need. So from that we can get the information from the Plantopedia. So for the next example is the when we don't have time to give our plant water. So by using the Plantopedia itself, we can set the times for our equipment to give the water to our plants. So From that's all, we can improve our productivities and also can improve the what we call it the quality of the plants. So that can be more interested lah. So that's all from my parts. Thank you.
In conclusion, the agriculture sector is essential to the region economy. Despite being less computerized, the industry has seen an increase in AI research and development. There are many products and treatments available today aided by AI technology. It is also becoming increasingly popular among farmers and enterprise. In addition, the process efficiency is also higher and can reduce the use of manual labor. That's all from us. Thank you.